Hello and welcome to episode 5 of turning my crypto portfolio into $1 million. As you can see, we have a slight decrease in my portfolio compared to yesterday. We're down about $100 to $200. Now, who's the culprit? Well, we can see Ethereum is not doing so well today. It's down actually 2.89%. So we have a $45 loss. And as you can see, some of the metaverse coins are not doing too hot. On the bright side, I've acquired a new coin. I think it's going to do well in the long term. So I sold some of my Ethereum and I took some profit in my spin coin and I invested in Ramp. And why did I invest in Ramp? Well, recently some really good news about Ramp came out. And basically, crypto payment solutions firm Ramp raises 53 million to increase adoption of dApps. So, they got some new funding. That's really good news. And well, reading into Ramp a little more, they've partnered with Axie Infinity, Mozilla, Opera Browser, Dapper Labs, and a couple of other partners. And we know that Axie Infinity is a pretty large game right now in the crypto space, and they basically plan to have their wallet integrated into these different games, right? And some other good news for Ramp is that they're also looking into expanding their software to help facilitate crypto transactions for financial institutions with their banking apps. So this is some good news. Like they're expanding and they got some attention today. If we go ahead and look at the price chart, you can see that they had around a 47% increase today. Obviously, it has gone down. So we've actually come back down for almost 20%, 18% to be exact. And this might be a good opportunity to buy. So I bought in. Obviously, I didn't buy at the very bottom, so it did decrease a little, and I lost like $30. But it's completely fine because in the long term, we can see that this might have great potential. So right now, the graph isn't a beautiful one. We've seen that they've gone down, they've traded sideways, and it looked like they were going to try to retest their 50% level here, which is at 35 cents. But obviously, with the bad news that has been coming out and Bitcoin dipping, we can see that they've gone a little lower and they're finding support in an older top before the July dip or bottom. So I personally think with their new funding, new partnerships in 2022, and their integration into Axie Infinity and to maybe possibly other games, who knows? I see them, maybe trading sideways for a little bit. Maybe they go here, then we go again. But I eventually see them, maybe retesting this 35-cent resistance level. And hopefully, if everything goes well and they have a lot of backing, well, they'll break through, and then we can just, maybe hold support here for a little while and keep going up. That's what I think might happen in 2022. That's why I bought in. And I'm pretty bullish on this coin and on this network. So yeah, that's basically it. So SpinTop has been doing really well. I've had a $167 profit. It's been a great investment, and I truly believe in them. I think they're going to keep on going up. But it's very important to take profit and reinvest. I don't want to, just hold it and then watch it go down again. Looking at my other coins, Veracity, doing really bad. It's one of the worst ones I've had so far. I see a lot of people talking about pushing for their listing in Binance. I think Binance might have said no. I think basically that until Bitcoin goes above its 50% level and gains support there and then gathers a lot of momentum, I don't see much of anything going up. So basically, we're going to keep on trading sideways. I mentioned it in like 2 episodes ago that my portfolio was going to go up and down, up and down. I wasn't expecting anything in the short term. I'm glad that I could, recover a little bit of loss with some good moves. And we'll just have to wait. We'll have to wait. We have to be patient. This is a game of patience. So I'm feeling good right now. So looking at the crypto fear and greed index, we are in fear. Yesterday we were at extreme fear. we are in fear. Once again, people are starting to get used to these prices. As long as we don't keep falling, people are going to be like, okay, well, I think we can get back into the market. So we have to be careful. We have to be attentive. We have to watch these prices. We have to watch Bitcoin specifically to know if we can get back into the market or we have to exit the market again. So that's it. Thank you very much. Have a great day, guys.